Hey, what up YouTube? It's Louis here bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Today we'll be looking at Polygon or Matic. Matic, sorry. So, personally I've been in Matic since 38 cents, and this is actually one of the coins that is in my Discord group chat where I basically post what I'm doing. So I'll show you that right now. Guys, I'm just going to go through what I have in my chat, but I am closing off my chat by the end of the month because obviously it's getting a bit too far into the bull run, and obviously there's still gains to be made, lots of gains to be made, but obviously the later you join, the more riskier it gets because we're breaking all-time highs and you'd have to wait for a pullback. But if you're joining this month as soon as possible, do so. Obviously you don't have to at all. I'm obviously always posting on YouTube, so if you just want to go off my YouTube videos, that's fine. So let's go through this. So I have a crypto chat, and it's always the best time to join. So this crypto chat will last until the end of this bull run. You do not need to know anything. Zero time and knowledge is required. I basically call when I buy and when I sell, and you can do what you want with this information. What I have in this chat is I post daily updates on the or daily chart updates of the coins that we're in, obviously predictions to the upside and to the downside. Like for example, I tell you guys, okay, we're going to dip now and we're going to dip to this level, and this might be a good area where I will buy. And then obviously you do what you want with that info, because of course this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm posting is in this chat is what I'm doing, and I'm trying to educate everyone, so it's for educational purposes only. So obviously we have investment and trade ideas. So for example, let's say we had ETH as an investment. Let's say I had £1,000 in ETH, but then also I saw trading opportunity, and I'll put that, okay, ETH is going to go up 25 or 50%. I'm going to add money on top for this trade, and when my trade hits take profit, I'm going to take this money out and keep it in a stable coin, for example, but I will not touch my investment money. What I do in this chat is I'm sharing my portfolio with you guys, how I have it, how I have my portfolio, basically like what percentages I have in each coin. And of course it says here that there's gains of 10 to 30 times. Now obviously because we're in the latter stage of bull run, I'd say a maximum of 10 maximum. But if you got in when I opened my chat back in February, then obviously people have already made like 10x already on certain coins. So no worries guys, if you missed out on this opportunity. Of course I'm going to be doing this going forward in the next bull market. I may even have my group chat open during the bear market, where we'd be spot trading the bear market, like just shorting it basically without leverage, because leverage is very risky and you need to be a professional trader to do that. So obviously, I will be posting my take profit strategies for the end of my bull run, for my bull run of the bull run. So I'll basically be saying, okay, at this level, I'm selling. You don't have to. I can't tell you to, guys. So it's up to you what you want to do with this information. Remember, you're not paying for the profits. You're paying for the information, the educational information that I provide. And again, I have to stress, I cannot tell you whether to buy or to sell, but you can do what you want with the information. If you want to join, guys, it's £40 a month. You can message me on my Twitter, just like comment on one of my posts on Twitter at Louis_crypto, and of course I'll just like it and then follow you and message you. So make sure to do that. Also, if you want to refer anyone, you will get £10 off every referral. That's one referral, £10 off for that month, okay? So let's say you got 4 people to join, you'd have that month for free basically. So how to pay, you'd either want to bank transfer or just send cryptos, like a low fee, like XRP for example, XLM, or any low fee cryptos. So remember guys, you don't have to join at all. I just want to put this out there just in case anyone's interested. So we've been in since April. And basically I've had the group chat since August last year, so for well over a year now, 1.5 years. However, I only opened it to the public back in February. I had it open to my mentorship students, so anyone that does mentorship, one-on-one mentorship with me, gets free access to my group chat going forward in future bull runs. Not forever, but until I basically stop doing this. But I don't see myself stopping doing this for a long time. So we got in at a price of 38 cents, and from that price to where we are now, that is a gain of 370% gain. So whatever you put in, you'd have obviously got 370% on top of that. Perfect. So what am I seeing for Matic at the moment? I am telling you guys that I have some end of bull run targets, and my end of bull run targets are any of these three blue levels: $4, $5, or just above $6.50. Okay, just above, because we'll have an overshoot. Let's say we get to 650, we'll have an overshoot. But yeah, so we need to take it step by step. But can you see the green level right now of $1.55? I think I gave everyone in my chat this level once we bottomed out over here, and I was telling everyone, once we finally hold $1.55 as support, which we have over here, not these fake outs over here, once we actually hold $1.50 as support, that will put us in a technical target to at least minimal the all-time high. So a technical target to $2.72 minimal. Once you get above this level, you will go to these next targets, whether that's $4, $5, or $6.75. So obviously once you're above this over here, $4 is your minimal target. So I can be 100% in when I say once we break the all-time high, minimal target $4. Now let's take a look at the closer time frame, just a zoomed in perspective of Matic. So make sure you're following me on my Twitter for daily updates, for multiple updates in the day, Louis_crypto, and of course subscribe. I've just hit 300 subscribers, which is immense, guys. I was only, I think, 60 subscribers last month, so let's get my channel to 500 subscribers. It's growing amazing, so share this with everyone you know. So what I'm seeing for Matic at the moment is that we actually have this descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, guys. So, and you've actually had the bullish cross on a bearish cross on the 4 hour, and you have lost the descending triangle support. So this actually puts you in a technical target to the downside, and that technical target would be the level of $1.55, which I said we want to hold support if we want to retrace back to the all-time high. Now, just because we have a target down here, it doesn't mean we're going to meet it. And as you can see, actually, when you made this swing high, you came back to this swing high over here and made it into a swing low. So really, your next target is here as this swing low. So you could have support here, and that is lining up, as you can see, with this white line, which is my 200 moving average. So we could actually not meet this technical target to the downside. We could do something like this and get above, and we'll be off to back to the all-time high at what, 270 or something like that. So yeah, just because you have a technical target down here doesn't mean you're going there, because if you look at the Bitcoin chart since July, it's had many technical targets to the downside, and it hasn't been meeting them, just showing you how bullish and how strong Bitcoin is. So let's say you did lose this, it'd be highly likely that you come in and around this zone. So I'm giving you all the breakdown targets, guys, just in case we do end up becoming bearish. But I don't envision this, although yes, we have broken out to the downside, and yes, we're in a technical target down to $1.55. I'm not seeing this, because if Bitcoin just wants to turn around, which it looks like it wants to, then all your altcoins will turn around and go to the upside. It doesn't matter how bad your chart looks. Yeah, I know there's a bearish cross. Yeah, I know we're outside of a bearish pattern. Doesn't matter. If Bitcoin wants to go up, the rest will go up. And so this would be invalidated once you break back above $1.82. So guys, if we break above $1.82 and can confirm that as support like we did here and here, then we should see a break of this month-long downtrend, or almost a month-long, well, 2-week long downtrend. So guys, there are a few patterns here, because if this is the bottom and we do manage to get back above, we could have this double bottom here, one bottom, two. So obviously I know that right now we don't know if this is the bottom, so I'm just going to measure from here. So once we break above I get that exactly, once we get above $2.12, that will put us in a technical target. Let's get that exact. That will put us in a technical target above $2.43. Look at that as confluence. So the reason why I've placed this line here and not on the all-time high is because whenever we're drawing support and resistance, we want an area of multiple touches. And if we had it just here, there'd only be a single location. Yeah, I know there's 3 touches here, but it's a single location with touches. So we want multiple locations, yeah? Not just single loads of candles right next to each other. We want multiple locations where we've hit resistance. So to me, once we're above $2.40, that's when we can say that we're going to get the party started and head off to our latter targets of the bull run. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Matic or Polygon update. Let me know down below what altcoins you want to see next, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for pumping my YouTube channel to over 300 subscribers. I think I'm only 2 subscribers now, or 3 subscribers now, sorry, followers off 200 followers on Twitter. So make sure you follow me on my Twitter because I'm posting multiple updates in a day. And as always, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.